Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YFI or YEARN Finance, currently ranked at the 158 with a market cap of about $294 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $93 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? So currently right here for YFI on the day, we are up 3.1%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And so for YFI, the first thing we did was draw all our levels, right? We said prices always move from level to level, level to level, right? We're bullish right there from the $4,000 level right here for YFI, especially when we saw prices push above these $5,000 level. And for some of you on the channel, you would know we rode that move to the upside into that $15,000 level, right? A lot of people took profit, a lot of people are still holding, right? But as you can see, we saw that huge push to the downside right here for YFI, but we said YFI was still bullish because we are still holding these 200 EMA or this white line right here. We said so far YFI continues to hold the 200 EMA. YFI was still bullish, and this was our primary scenario, right? We said so far we are still holding, we should be expecting this push to the upside. As you can see, we lingered even longer than expected, and currently, as you can see, prices is following our primary count, right? So we could just shift, right? Let's see this, let's just shift the whole thing, right? So as you can see right here, if we just shift it, still the same thing. We are still expecting another push into this $15,000 level, as currently, right, YFI still remains even more bullish as we have pushed up above these 50 EMA, right? This 50 EMA is this purple line right here. That was what made us very bullish right here, right? When we saw prices above the 2 EMAs, which means expect a very huge push to the upside. Currently, as you can see, right, we have seen prices currently above these 50 EMA, so expect some sort of massive move to the upside right here for YFI, right? Also, if we just check the volume profile, when the moment we saw volume switched in favor of the bulls, we were very, very bullish, and as you can see, we have seen the bulls, right, being bullish. The volume profile momentum has in favor of the bulls since the 21st of October. We have seen this huge bullish price action happen right here to the upside for YFI, right? So we basically have been seeing that huge bullish price action, right? Even though currently we are in neutral territory, because the moment we see prices come into this, in between this blue line, it basically means we are neutral, right? But we are neutral in favor of the bulls, as you can see, right? So we need to see the bulls push us above this neutral level to be very, very bullish and comfortably bullish right here on YFI, right? So we want to see even more push to the upside right here for YFI to see that huge push to the upside for YFI. So YFI still remains bullish. We are still expecting another retest of that $15,000 area. And that's what we are expecting on the channel. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.